Hello YouTube programmers, welcome back in my tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how we can create our beautiful herbs land, or we can say how we can create our water herbs land, which means that in this video we will try to make a land which comes from the water at the upper surface of the water with some interesting or magical land. So how we can create this? So let's start to make our beautiful water hub land. So for this we need some assets. So here you can see I already downloaded some assets. So at the below you will get the name of these assets, so you can download these assets. You have to download that type of asset which is full from the trees, water, herbs, flowers and etc. you want to add on your land. Okay, so first just take a look what we are going to make. Okay, so let's start. So first thing we have to download the assets, and after this for making our land we need a terrain. So just go to the hierarchy. Here you can see this hierarchy and right click and go to the 3D object, and here you will get the terrain. Here you can see we need to add some changes on the art terrain. So for this just go to the terrain and choose this paint texture and click over this arrow. You will get these options. So choose the paint textures. Okay, so after choosing the paint texture you need to click on this edit terrain layers and create a layer and choose that texture which you want to give on the surface of your land. I want to give this texture on this land. So you can see that my surface texture is changed automatically, and after this again you have to go to this brush or paint texture and click here and choose the rise and the lower trend and give some different texture on the art land by just left click and just drag which part you want to change. Here you can see this surface is high according to this plane surface. So now I want that at this place, here and here will be highly up texture, and then over there. Now add some trees. You can see that this will look like a hills or the green mountains. Let's add the trees and some grasses and the herbs on our land. So just go to the terrain and choose this paint tree options and choose this edit layer and add the layer. And when you click on this circle you will get this small window, and here you can see we have a different option of the trees and the beaches and many more which you will download it. So here you can see many more things. So I want to choose first the trees. So I'm going to choose this one and click on the add and just click at that surface where you want to add this tree. You can see that by clicking on the surface you will add the trees Here you can see I have a lots of trees. Here you can see the brush size is the 40 and the tree density I'm going to decrease it to 60 or 58, and the tree height random here. So untick this. I want to add a different tree texture. So again just go to the edit trees and add trees. Again click over here and again choose the another tree and do the same. Okay, so now add the herbs and the grasses over here. So just again do the same, go to the train, and here now at this time again just add trees and choose the grasses. So after this just add some herbs. So here you can see I have these 3 little mushrooms with the light. This will gonna work as a herbs. Here you can see just drag and drop into the scene. You can see this herb is glow as the sky blue color. So just I can just go to the train and here add 3 here. Add 3 and choose this one. Okay, so just choose this and just drag and drop into here this non-game object and click the add. You can see here we add it and just increase the size. 1, 2, 3. Be added or not, so just come closer to it. Here you can see it will glow. We need to add a water, so for this choose the water. Here we will see, here you can see we have the water, so just choose, just drag and drop into the scene. This will, you will add the water into the scene. Add this water at the top of the land. Just drag and drop here into the scene. Now here you can see we have our water. Adjust the position of the water. So after adding the water into this, here you can see in the scene we can't see the water. So for this we need to add the material to the water. So for this we need to add the water element actually. So here just click at the element in the inspector, right click and create the duplicate array. Which here when you click at the circle, here you will get this window and you can add the water type which you want. Now when you click on these water pool, water types, these options, you will get here the different type of the changes in the scene. So here you can see, so I'm going to choose this one. After adding the water, I want that when I press this game window, after a few time our land will be automatically come at the upper surface of this water. So for this we need to animate the land. So just choose this land as a terrain. Here choose the terrain and just go to the animation and create animation for the land. So just rename it the land up and save. Now just again click on the land, here the add property here you will get the transform. At the click the transform, you will get the position. So for moving our land, we need to change the position of the land. Click on the position and click here the at the one timeline. Now press to record our animation. So just at the y-axis, click here, just drag slowly at the upper side. Perfect. Now just again press to stop this and just press play. You can see our land will be go upside. You can see, and just go to the animator. Here you can see animations clips are automatically added to the animator window. Now we need to create another one, which is the ideal land animation clip. So just again go to the animation here and create a new one, which is the land ideal. Now for this we need the actual position of the land. So just press play. Okay, so now here you can see our land is up, and here at this position is fully at the upper surface. So we need to pause the at this point. So just pause it here. Then we need to create the ideal one, the land ideal. So again just click over here. Actually we need to add the property, which is the transform, and in the transform we need to click the position. Here in the ideal line we did nothing because we need to create the ideal position animation. So just again press to record your animation, and here you can see we are going to nothing. Press to stop and go to the animator window. Here you can see we automatically add the land ideal. Now again just make transition to this. So we added the animations clip and the background. Just press play to see how it's look like. Here you can see our dark land come up. Here you can see in the animator, first it go the land up animation, then it will go the land up. So here it is. If you want to add some rainstorm or make some light on the land or add some the music. So this is it, guys. I hope you will like this idea because this is a unique idea, I guess. So I hope that you will understand what is my idea and you will gonna like it. So thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.